Okay, so when I opened your questions and then I wanted to share it, so I copied the link, and I could say get shareable link. And then I went to my dummy classroom and I'm going to add the link, and I clicked link, not Google Drive. And then I posted that link, but changed this to copy, add link, and that's when it prompted me, what do you want them to do? So was it adding a link? Let me see if I add something to Google Drive. Yeah, so I don't connect it directly to Google Drive, because if I put that there, oh, it says files already attached. Well, it doesn't let me, it doesn't give me the choice. So I don't know, see if that works.